Menteri Rangba Kajala rangkat katuk kan ki menteri bat kumjuru speaker ka ying dapat hawan Kajala kilale jingo ya ka ying mani balang ublai hakalau peti kabala julor na ka jingplu ka ding ha ka step jong ka singi ublai kata ka khatnyu terik nai weng arja ka khandai menteri Rangba ulai kenduru ya kinong elam jong kani kabalong ka kemie jong kabalang ublai ha Meghalaya bat Assam.
I went today to the church and of course it was very saddening to see what happened, very unfortunate what has happened, and definitely a very great loss, not only to the church and all the believers there, but also to I think Shillong city as a whole, and in fact for the Meghalaya state as a whole. So our prayers are with all the members of the church, and also our prayers are with the members of the bereaved family, the couple that also lost their life. That also was very unfortunate, and I went today to meet the family members and pay my respects to them. I also had gone to the church to see the overall situation, and as I said, it was a very unfortunate thing that happened, and as I said, a big loss to the church and to the people of the state.
La bangdo hangni bakading kabajur bha kalapun julo la jan paro kabenta jong kaying mani kablate house nem syaja khandai spa sipho kading kelas dang hakapor suwa ban kenjat sai bat omsem la tip ka e kadaw bakala plu kumni reki pulen kilai thu bakala bande na kajing thot kading electric namar bakani kaying mani kadang don hapdeng kajing marmon kajing plu jong kading kalong ko bisher kai ba bat wat ki pai ba ki basa marjan kilaken det na bathia handai kimsim lala ban le e namar bakading kalapur skibenta basapo jong kaying mani kentup ikiben song ki pai ba bawan jingaseng hakani kajing ja basngusi arngut kibrio kibadai sikurim kilaklat kini kilong ba tibo seomoy bat kakong ar lalu nakaliang ki pai ba kila keno ba kadaw jong kajing yap kini ki arngut kadai namar kajing pois lem pelat ka kalip lip ding.